In this practical pointer, I'm going to show you an overview of the TSR test in LASTRADA's asphalt mix design module. You can run the TSR test from the mix design and from the production QC. In this example, I will run the test from the mix design module. Let's begin by opening a mix design. Go to the Trial Mixes tab. I will enter the TSR details for the design variant here. In the test screen, you can enter information such as number of gyrations used for sample preparation and the min-max saturation target range. The GMM and binder content will be imported from the previous screen. To begin your TSR test, you need to select the appropriate test method. You can run the datasheet 1 file to write dimension and GMB data. There are a sequentially number of pop-up windows for measuring dimensions and GMB that follow the steps in the TSR test method. Start by entering your dimensions for all your specimens in window 1. Enter both specific gravities in window 2. Once you are done, group specimens into dry or wet groups following the applicable test method. Once you have grouped your specimens, run datasheet report 2. The report includes SSD target weights for achieving requirement minimum and maximum saturation levels. Continue entering data into the number windows and max load into the grid. Once you are done, LASTRADA shows you the TSR water sensitivity value at the bottom. Run your final report. You can modify the report template as needed. Thank you for watching. Watch our next recommended video in the Practical Pointer series here, or watch the full playlist. For more resources like this, visit our resources page at lastradapartners.com/resources and subscribe to our channel.